In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Roblox Desktop App. By the end, you'll have the app ready to run your favorite experiences right from your computer, quickly and safely. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Type the address directly into the address bar and make sure you see the secure padlock and the correct domain, so you know you're in the right place. A stable internet connection will make the whole process smoother. Once you're on the site, sign in with your existing Roblox account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account by following the prompts on the site. Take a moment to set a strong password and fill in the required details carefully. Remember, you never need to share your login information with anyone to complete this installation. After you're signed in, choose any game on the Discover or Home page and click to open it. When you press the play button on a game, the website checks whether the Roblox Desktop app is already installed on your computer. Since we're setting it up now, this click will trigger the download. If your browser asks for permission to keep or allow the file, confirm it so the download can begin. The Roblox installer should start downloading automatically. This file is small and usually finishes in a few seconds on a typical connection. If it takes a moment, that's normal. Keep an eye on your browser's download area so you can open it as soon as it's ready. Next, open the installer file from your downloads. You can click it directly from the browser's download bar or find it in your computer's downloads folder. On Windows, it will look like an .exe launcher. On Mac, it may be a .dmg. If you see a standard security or permission prompt, approve it to continue. This is your system confirming you want to install the app. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The setup is straightforward. The installer will copy the necessary files, show a quick progress bar, and confirm when it's done. This typically only takes a minute or two. When the installer finishes, Roblox is ready to go. The next time you click Play on a game from the website, it will open in the Roblox Desktop app automatically, and you may also see a desktop shortcut for easy access. That's it. You've successfully installed the Roblox Desktop app and you're set to start exploring. If something didn't download right away, just retry from the website's play button and you'll be back on track. Enjoy your time in Roblox.